What's the meaning of ambiguity? Ambiguity. 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 Ambiguity.
The term ambiguity refers to a situation in which something is unclear, indefinite or capable of being interpreted in more than one way. It is a lack of precision or specificity that can lead to confusion or misunderstanding. Ambiguity can arise in many different contexts, including language, art, literature, and communication, among others. In such cases, it is important to clarify the intended meaning or context in order to avoid confusion and enable effective communication.